Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Edge 50 Ultra, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings, and here scroll all the way down to System, and then select, where is it? There we go, Reset Options, Erase All Data, Factory Reset, and this will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. So go over this. Important things in here, things like music, photos, and user data. If you have anything here that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it to maybe something like your computer as an example. And once you have done so, we can then progress further. I have nothing that I want to back up, so I'm just gonna jump straight away to pressing the Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it, and then select Erase All Data for the second time, which will now begin factory resetting your device. Now this process will take about a minute to 2 minutes maybe to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.